Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get Wix API key. First thing you need to do is to log into your Wix account. Navigate to account settings, then API keys. Click Generate API key and enter a name for your new API key, for example cart-to-cart migration, etc. In the permissions section, check the box for all permissions. This ensures the API key has full access to your Wix data, which is required for cart-to-cart migration, for example. Just note that each API key generated has access to all your websites under that Wix account. Now click Generate Key and then click Send Code. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered email. Retrieve the code from your email and then enter it into the box to verify your account pop-up. Just click Verify and Generate Key. Now once the key is generated, click Copy Token and Close and save this token in a secure location. You'll need it later. Now go to the migration wizard and pass the API token into the required field to connect your Wix store. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.